What's up, Tech Gangsta Fun here from TechRight. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing and first impressions of the LG Q7 Plus from Metro PCS. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so I finally picked this device up at Metro PCS. Everybody was asking about this device, asking me to review it, so finally picked it up, and this was a $299 device. Usually $329, but there is a $29 rebate. Hopefully the price will go down soon, but we're going to go ahead and look at the specifications. So on the back of the box, we have some phone features. It says we have a 4G LTE enabled phone. We have Android, I believe it's 8.1. We have a 5.5-inch Full HD Plus Full Vision 18:9 aspect ratio display. We also have a 16 megapixel PDAF rear camera with Q lens, 8 megapixel front facing camera, and in this device we actually have a decent amount of storage and a decent amount of RAM. For the price, I don't know if the trade-off is amazing, but it says we get 64 gigabytes of internal storage and it says we get 4 gigabytes of RAM. Also right here it says we get a 1.8 gigahertz octa-core processor. I believe this is going to be the Snapdragon 450 that we received in the LG Stylo 4, but I'm not 100% sure yet. So what's inside the phone is the LG Q7 phone. We have the SIM card, we have a charger with USB data cable, and we have a quick start guide. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Alright guys, let's go ahead and unbox this phone now. We've got our knife right here. Let's go ahead and cut this open. Alright guys, so on the very top it looks like we have the Q7 Plus. Let's go ahead and put that to the side. Now opening this up, looks like we have our IMEI information. We have our LG Q7 Plus start guide in English and in Spanish. We have our SIM card as well. We have our wall charger right here, and we have fast charging capabilities as well, so cool stuff. We also have our USB Type-C data cable. And last but not least, we have our SIM tray ejector tool. Alright guys, so we have the phone right here. Let's go ahead and take the plastic off of this. Take the warning sticker off as well, and take the IMEI number off as well. Alright guys, so first impressions on this device, just taking it out, very beautiful device. Honestly, we don't have the huge screen that we do on the LG Stylo 4, but as you guys can see, it is pretty much a edge-to-edge display. There is a chin and there is a top part right here that's blacked out, but other than that, looks pretty nice so far. But back of the device, it looks like we have our 16 megapixel rear-facing PDAF camera. We also have a flash under that, and we have our fingerprint sensor just under that. We also have the Q7 Plus logo, and we have the LG logo at the bottom. Color on the back of this device is really nice. Honestly, I love blue. Blue is pretty much my favorite color next to black. Very nice and shiny blue, and you're gonna get that on the side of the device as well. It's like a satin blue. Very nice. Right side of the device, we just have our little old power button all by itself. Very tactile and clicky though. Left side of the device, we have a spaced volume key, so we have the volume up and down key right here, and below that we have our SIM tray. Bottom of the device, we have our speaker as well as our noise canceling mic, USB Type-C port, and our 3.5mm head jack. Top of the device, it just looks like we have our bands right here, and it looks like we have a noise canceling mic as well. Front of the device, we have an 8 megapixel front facing camera. It looks like we have a proximity light sensor as well as some other sensors as well. We do have our headset smack dab in the middle. And as you guys know, we have this 5.5-inch screen. It's going to be full HD plus. But let's go ahead and power this up. So far though guys, not too big, not too small. Honestly, really nice in the hands. Feels super nice in the hands. I love the color of this phone. Now, I don't know if this is going to be worth $300, so you know, we're obviously going to do some benchmarks and different stuff like that. I saw some interesting tests from other YouTubers, so hopefully that is not the case at all. But I obviously will give you my real world review because benchmarks are not always the best thing to go off of. Just a really quick heads up for anybody who wanted it, we do have a 5G capability on the LG Q7 Plus, so cool stuff right here. Alright guys, so the phone is fully booted up. The screen density actually looks really nice. So the screen is really nice compared to the LG Stylo 4. Stylo 4 is really nice as well. This is going to be a little bit better, and the screen density is going to be better because it is a smaller screen, because it is going to be almost an inch smaller than the LG Stylo 4. Therefore, the screen is going to be much better. but they are the same displays. Going down in the drop down menu, it looks like we do have DTS 3D surround audio, and we have hi-fi quad act audio as well. So if you guys want to use that, you are going to have to put headphones in. This does not work if you don't put headphones in. The other thing we have right here is NFC, so we have NFC capabilities on this device as well. But yeah, let's go ahead and go into the settings, take a look at the software really quick, and see what we're running. So it looks like we're running Android 8.1. So we still have Android Oreo on this device, which is pretty cool. Hopefully we are going to be getting Pi for the people who have or are going to purchase this device. I believe we do have IP68 certification on this, so it's water and dust resistant up until 5 feet of water for 30 minutes straight. So that is a cool certification to have on the Q7 Plus. Other than that, there's not that many things that changed compared to the LG Stylo 4. Basically, this is a smaller LG Stylo 4 without the stylus, with bumped up RAM and an IP68 certification. Even if we take a look at the camera right here, we have all of the same features that we have on the LG Stylo 4. As you see, auto, food, match shot, guide shot, snapshot, grid shot, panorama, flash jump cut, and it looks pretty much just as good as the LG Stylo 4. I will be doing a camera comparison, so don't worry, I'm going to compare it to the LG Stylo 4, but just going through this phone for a little bit, it looks exactly like the LG Stylo 4. I think I just wasted $300 to be quite honest right here, and if you guys are going to pick up this phone, I would definitely wait until the price goes down, because I don't think it's worth it at this point. $300 for an extra 2 gigabytes of RAM, IP68 certification, and we get that quad act audio. I don't know. What do you guys think? Tell me in the comments down below. If you guys did enjoy this video, please leave a like down below, as well as subscribing if you guys are not a part of the tech gang already. I will be doing the full review on this phone, so definitely stay tuned for that. But so far, what do you guys think? I am not 100% sure about this device yet. Not 100% sure. But yeah, this has been Stefan from TechRight. Peace out, tech gang.